Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I just showing you a portable air compressor. This compressor is made by China. Its working power is 220 volt and 12 volt DC. Box inside include the compressor, filling hose with filter, power adapters and o-ring set for the maintenance purpose. This compressor is 4500 psi and 300 bar set pressure version. The compressor is automatically stopped once you fill 300 bar. That means by 300 bar set pressure version. Here you can see the cooling fan. This helps to reduce the heat. You can see two buttons, one for using power on, another one power on the cooling system. Also you can see the temperature of the device on this display. Now the device is ready to fill air. We can connect the hose and try to fill one air rifle. See, now I just try by using this pistol. Okay, you can see it here. Now you can see filling air. You can see they indicate the gauge. This device is really useful for PCP users. They can fill air anywhere. If you have car batteries, it support car battery. You can use by power from your car battery. If you are in home, you can use 220 volt direct AC. Really don't want to carry cylinders for filling purpose. The machine automatically off once reach the filling pressure 300 bar. Now I just turn off my device. Okay. Now I just stop the filling. I turn off the compressor, turn off the cooling system, and remove the air remaining in the hose. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and support. Also, I expect your comments.